Larry Fitzgerald Jr. no longer plays football in the NFL. He retired about a year ago. But what he does play is chess, and today I'll be challenging him to a game. Now you might be wondering, how good is a former NFL wide receiver at the game of chess? Well, today we're going to find out, and I'm actually going to give you guys the chance to guess his rating based on how well he plays the game against me. I'm going to be hiding his rating and revealing it at the end of the video after you've had a chance to make your prediction. All right, here we go. Good luck, Larry. I'm going to play e4. By the way, if you guys want to challenge Larry yourself, you can play him on chess.com. I'll put a link in the description to the bot, but don't go click it yet. Wait to see how this game turns out to see how good you think he is. All right, bishop c4. All right, king e7. I'm not going to say anything, although, yeah, I'm just going to play knight c3. I'm not going to say anything. Let's go knight f3. I don't believe I've ever seen that maneuver, up and then back. Interesting. Let's castle. a5. Okay. Let's play d4. We're going to strike at the center. Here we go. Let's capture. There we go. We're going to trade that off. Queen to e7. He likes that e7 square. King goes up. The queen comes there. Let's keep developing. Or should we play knight to d5 and attack these guys? Actually, let's do that. Let's see how Larry's going to respond. Okay. Saves the queen, but at what cost? At what cost? There's a fork. Not looking good for Larry so far. Let's capture this. See if he can make a comeback. Interesting choice. So, generally speaking, when you're ahead, it makes sense to trade pieces. Because if you go into an endgame with extra pieces, it's easier to win. So that's what we're going to do now. Let's activate the rook. That's a fork that I'm noticing. And which piece do I want to take? Probably the bishop. All right, let's go for the fork here. So this is pinned, and a lot of times when you have a pinned piece, if you can pile up on it, that's a good strategy. So that's what we're going to do. That's a good move. Actually a good move. He's defending the knight by blocking off my rook. All right, we'll go ahead and trade it. And I think we'll just grab a pawn. Alrighty, that's a pawn as well. We'll take that one. It's defended by the rook. Okay, I see a little tactic here. I'm going to let him take with the knight because we have a skewer. Skewer here forces the king out of the way, and then we can grab the knight. All right. So this game is about over. I think what I'm going to do, because I feel like you didn't get a lot of information from this game, I'm going to play one more. I'll do a rematch against Larry. Give him the white pieces and see if he does any better. And then you guys can make your guess on what rating you think Larry is. All right, there should be a checkmate here very soon. Let's see if we can find what it is. Well, I guess we can just keep it simple and go for a ladder checkmate. He's going to try to escape here. So let's actually stop that. And then we'll just go with the ladder checkmate with the rook and the queen. Here we go. And that's going to do it. All right. So we won that one. Let's do a rematch and see if Larry can do any better with the white pieces. All right, good luck, Larry. Let's see what he does. He plays e4. All right, let's play e5. Queen to h5. Ah, so he's going for maybe the 4-move checkmate. Let's see. Nope. Goes back. So I don't really know. I don't really know what's going on there. Let's play d5. Notice how I'm just developing my pieces and fighting for the center of the board. That is how you want to start every chess game. I'm going to bring my bishop out. Look at this. All 4 pieces are out doing something right away. I'm going to use my queen as well. Look at this. All of my pieces are in the action. That's the best way to start a chess game. I could castle this way. I'm going to lose a pawn here. Not really concerned with that, honestly, so I'll just do it anyway. I want to activate this rook here. Okay, so that's a decent move. Attacks my bishop. I think we'll just retreat. Just going to check. No, I don't see any better moves. Let's just retreat the bishop. Plays d4. So he's striking at the center. The problem is when your king is still in the center and you open it up, the rooks can come over and it could be bad news for Larry. So yeah, we're going to take this pawn. It's important to get rid of this because then it gives me access to the king. So let's go ahead and take that guy. Yeah, he's trying to run, but it's just a little bit too late. Too little, too late. And what is the move here? We have a fork, which looks pretty nice. We have a free piece that's pinned, so it's not really going anywhere. We could even take here and threaten something like that. I mean, a lot of moves. I'm not actually sure what the best one is. Let's try this one. This looks pretty good. And okay, so wow. Yeah, there's a fork. He moves. I take this. There's also forks over. There's all kinds of forks. Do I want to just take the piece? Maybe that's the simplest thing, just to take this guy. We've got the battery here. I guess we'll just keep taking it. He takes back. It's checkmate. Okay, he doesn't. Still looks like there should be some sort of a checkmate pretty soon. I think probably knight here should do the trick. We're going to come down here. Yeah, that's going to be it. And then there's checkmate. So you can see how having all the pieces in the game makes it very easy. Notice I castled, Larry did not castle, and so those things are very big. Also, wasting the move early in the game really wasn't great. All right, folks, you've had 2 chances to observe how Larry plays. Go ahead and make your prediction. What do you think Larry's rating is? And we're going to reveal in 3, 2, 1, 1250. Honestly, I don't think either of these 2 games he played at a 1250 rating. So I think they've programmed it a little bit weird. We can actually check the game review here and see. So you can see here, Larry played with a 49 accuracy, and if we scroll down, the estimated rating, 1150. All right, so actually not too far off. But he really had a bad start, bringing out the queen and then immediately retreating it. Really just puts you behind, right? And so you don't want to start off the game that way. Well, congratulations if you guessed his rating correctly. Let me know in the comments what your guess was. And remember, there's a link in the description if you would like to play the Larry bot as well. Thank you guys for watching. As always, stay sharp, play smart, and take care.